All right, how am I able to sign up anywhere from 10 to 15 people per month in Live Good in December of 2024? Because, traditionally a couple weeks before and after Christmas, things slow down a little bit. Most people are focused on dinners or holidays or maybe some events. Obviously, maybe Christmas shopping, Hanukkah shopping, or Kwanzaa, or maybe you're just kind of, I don't know, the holiday buzz. Or you kind of blah and you can't wait till Christmas and all the holidays are over. Then January 1st, football, and I don't know, there's not a lot of holidays that are too exciting in January into February. But anyway, I'm very happy with the performance and just looking at the signups or people at least pre-enrolling, looking at my Live Good opportunity, and then people that make a decision. Okay, they just get out their debit card or credit card, or you can even pay in cryptocurrency, and you just go, you know what, I'm going to join. I think I can do this Live Good thing. I like the products. I like the opportunity. And I just love that Cory Draper's Jason hat from Friday the 13th. Okay, thank you very much. And then I have a little Jason, see? A little cute guy. See, he shakes his little bum if I turn him on underneath these bright little lights here, okay? So, how do I do it? How do I at least market? Do I email? Do I just go, oh my God, kumbaya, my lord? Do I make the deal with the devil? All right, do I beg? Do I run after people and tackle them and then go to their living room and talk about opportunity and health and wealth, okay? There's a lot of ways that you can be pretty good getting signups or really messing it up where people are like, oh no, here comes that guy, here comes that girl. They're going to pretend to be my friend, ask me questions, and then go, gee, have you ever thought about making money online? You're like, oh no, run from that guy. Guys, people, believe it or not, as cute and adorable as my hat and myself is, people actually approach me about the business. Okay, they'll come to my YouTube channel or watch a video. Maybe on the street, they might see me post on social media and go, God, I see you posting now and then about that thing. Is it called Live Great? Or is it Live Good? Or what is that thing? I go, no, I think it's called Live Good, sir. Or ma'am. And I go ahead and I make a little business card like this bad boy right here. Okay, I just go to Vistaprint. All right, like 25, 30 bucks, get a whole box sent to your house. Easy. Okay. Get yourself a domain name. Joincory.com was open. I bought it. It was like 10, 11 bucks. And then when people click it, it goes to a short video that's already created. All right. The video has signed up almost 400 people just on my little downline right underneath me, right where I'm sitting. Ooh, I can feel those people tickling me right now. Okay. And I'll show you a little this and that. Okay. But to keep signing up people consistently, all you got to do is just spread the message and make it fun and simple. Don't overanalyze this, okay? Because it's easy to do so, okay? And I have multiple incomes. I have other businesses online, and they all complement Live Good, which is nice. Because if I'm making money in Live Good, awesome. And if I'm making money in my other opportunities, that is really an amazing feeling. But the nice thing is all of my businesses are kind of like software opportunities or tools, where they get you to get attention on your, let's say, website. Okay? It teaches you how to be interesting, compelling, mysterious. Guys, you can't just post about an opportunity and go, hey, would you like to make some money and get some good products in your guts? Here's my upside down business cards. Okay? People will probably laugh that I keep them like that. Maybe I can fix it. Okay? But still, you got to do things to get people's attention. And don't you admit, when you're scrolling on your cell phone, let's say TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, guys, a lot of times you're just going to keep scrolling, and then there's always something that gets your attention, right? Well, we need you to create those type of ads or displays or an email that you send to people that are contacting you going, hey, do you have a business opportunity? I'd like to look into something. Okay. The subject of that email has to look interesting. So they click open the email and then they read it and go, gosh, you know what? I think I'm going to click this link, which I always like to go to something that's a small video that talks about Live Good. I'm making this video, but you know what I do at the end of the day? I just invite people to links. In this case, since it's a Live Good video, if you're upside down right now in a submarine or doing exercise, how about that? Okay, can you see one's upside down and the other one's upside up? Guys, I just invite people to links. There's nothing left for me to do. Because when you do click the link, there's a short video. It talks about the opportunity, the pay plan, where we're going. And it's by the CEO, which is awesome. And it's short. It's only 5 minutes and 55 seconds. So you get everything right on the screen, and then you pause, go back, pause. Okay, I'm not interested in Live Good. Okay, goodbye. Awesome. No time out of your life or mine. That's the goal. But if you're interested in the products, awesome. Maybe you'll buy them. Maybe you'll want to save. Okay, become a member for $10 a month and get wholesale pricing. Maybe take the products and sell them online, Amazon store. Maybe you got a gym or something. You want to sell Live Good products. But if you want to earn money, it's $40 one time, guys. That's it. Two $20 bills, $40 one and done. You are an affiliate. You can now hopefully do what I do, invite people to watch short little videos. And if you start earning money, you're going to love it. Take that extra money and buy Live Good products. Or set your goals. Do you want to make an extra blank? How about this much? Do you want to earn this much? How about, I don't know, I'm doing Vogue. I'm trying to do that. Remember that Madonna? I'm doing the Vogue. You got to set your goals. All right? And the more you post, and if you talk just nicely, kindly, and just try to be a friend to people, guys, write emails that are like, I don't know, maybe takes 20, 15 seconds to read, and write them like you're writing your mom or your dad or your best friend. If you do a video like this, story tell. If you're nervous, tell people. If you have a booger, just go, sorry guys, I got a booger. Hold on. Just pull out 20 feet of it, dangle it, and then throw it on the screen. If you burp, leave it in. If you forget what you're talking about, laugh, and then just show people Post-it notes. Okay, maybe you hold your business card upside down. Okay, just be yourself. People join people. I can't stress that enough. I've talked to literally thousands of people, not only in Live Good, but my other opportunities. Everyone has the same, I guess, answer, because you can probably tell I have ADD, and I like to kind of chat and get to meet people. I'm social, and I like being this way. And you don't have to be. You don't have to talk to anybody. But I always ask, why did you sign up underneath me? Was it a video, an email? What's a reason, man? Be honest. And they're like, you know what? I just feel like I know you. That if we worked together in the same building, or if we played on the same softball team, swatting balls, hitting home runs, or maybe our kids were in the same class together. Okay? I like hearing that from people because I want to come off on video how you're watching right now. So if we meet in person, it's just the same thing. We just talk, maybe see if you're into Lego, or maybe putting Hot Wheels behind your head when you do videos. Where do you live? What do you do? What's your interest and what's your goals? And if I can help you achieve that, great. And if you have ideas how to get signups or to be interesting or captivating or exciting, let me know. And I'm not shy. I'll make a video. All right. And if I can help you, awesome. That's what it's all about. Guys, when you have a pay plan how we have set up, if you make money, I make money. I'm going to help you. Believe me. I'm going to help you. And if you need help signing up 2 or 3 or 4 deep, guys, I'm right there. Because at the rank I'm at in Live Good, guys, I get multiple pay. There's multiple levels. That's the beauty of an MLP, multiple level pay. You don't have to buy any products to earn commissions with us. You pay $40, you're an affiliate. You buy products because you like them. You return them in 90 days, no questions asked. If you just need money and you're broke, or you just empty those containers and you're bored off your butt saying, I want my money back. Send your products back to the mighty Live Good. You get your money back, guys. Pretty darn cool, right? But it all starts with, okay, do I want the products? Do I want to resell them, make some extra money? Or do I want to actually become an affiliate like this guy with the Jason hat? Do you see that thing? $65 for this damn hat, and then $10 shipping. I'm like, whew, I need you to sign up so I can afford this darn hat. Okay. But make a decision, guys. Okay. Watch the short video. Just go to joincory.com, watch the video, put your name and email address in the little box. I'd like to send you an email once a day about Live Good. If not, opt out. And if you want to join, you're going to get an email from Live Good. Just go ahead and open it up, follow the links, get a username, put your name in, put an address where you'd like to buy products and have them shipped. And then decide how you want to get paid. Okay, we get paid every Thursday, by the way. All right, I get up, I see a pile of cash that's coming to me, and I know by that afternoon in my bank, it funds, just like clockwork, guys, every Thursday. And during holidays, our CEO actually usually pays us a day early. So if Christmas is, let's say, on Thursday, I wouldn't be surprised if he pays us on a Wednesday. We've had that happen now a couple of holidays. And thank you, Ben Glinsky. Very cool guy. Good ownership, guys. Ryan and Dr. Ryan and Lisa, okay, they are awesome. They make sure our products are the best. Nader Kazan, just a great guy, field marketing director, always high energy, gives you great advice. We have live training, live Zooms. The website's yours, the capture page, support's in place. Guys, there's nothing to do. Just set up and do this. Please copy what I do. I can't be any more to the point. I just want you to go to joincory.com. And if you join, I'm going to send you an email. And please copy it 99.9, if not 100%. And then kind of do your take on things. But I just want you to get set up and going. All right, we have a few thousand people a day signing up, about 60,000 per month worldwide. And they can only sign up underneath affiliates. Okay, so if you got $10 a month, it's time. Let's do it. $40 one-time fee. All right, two $20 bills. Or how about 4 10s? Or how about 5 of these? Okay. Or if you have to pay in pennies, oh my gosh, that's going to be a pain in the butt. But anyway, I just dropped all my cards on my Wang Chung. Okay, guys, thank you for your time. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Email me, Cory@CoryDraper.com. All this information will be below the video anyway. And if I sent you an email, all my contact information is there as well. So, all right, guys, thanks for your time. Okay? You have a good day. Don't you love my hat? And yeah, $65 plus shipping. Believe me, I crap my pants, but I got to have these hats. I got 3 of them, actually. Go Jason. Friday the 13th rocks. All right, take care.